Oh, hey guys. Today I am going to show you how to do an inside reverse fold. Now there are two ways to do this. The first way is called tucking a flap. The second way is called folding a point. Let's start with tucking a flap. First off, we are going to start with a rectangular sheet of paper. I'm just going to fold it in half, vertically. Now we want to take this corner, fold it diagonally to the other side. Make a crease. And unfold. Now we have a mountain fold. However, if we turn over it, we have a valley fold. And this part here is what we'll refer to as the spine, which happens to be a mountain fold. What we want to do here, guys, is change this valley fold into a mountain fold, and we want to turn the spine into a valley fold. Yeah, this is going to be easier if I turn it around. All that's left is to fold it back again. And push it inwards. Flatten the sheet. And there you go, guys. We have our inside reverse fold with a flap tucked in. Now, for folding a point method, first of all, we need to start with a kite base. You can click the link above if you haven't watched my tutorial on making a kite base. So, to begin, fold your kite base in half. Now make an arbitrary fold like this. Unfold and turn the mountain fold on the inside into a valley fold. Now we have two valley folds on the inside. Same thing with the spine. Invert it by turning the spine from a valley into a mountain fold. Now push everything outwards and flatten the paper. And there you have it, guys. Two methods for the inside reverse fold. Thanks for watching.